Hello, how are you? I wanted to make this meditation as a little bit of motivation to keep you committed when you're feeling maybe off track or just want to keep the momentum going. I know for myself, when I started this journey, I actually made myself my own recording that had a pep talk and that kept me going and that was visualizing my ideal body, and it was so helpful. I listened to it every day and it got me in that mindset to keep going and to not give up. So right now, I would love for you to close your eyes and be in this present moment and just arrive here now, noticing the sounds around you, listening to your breath as you inhale and exhale. Feel proud of yourself for taking on this journey. Feel proud of yourself for having the courage to change, the courage to take action, the courage to want more for yourself. Be proud. You're doing it. I want you to think of all the reasons that you have the willingness to do what it takes to get to your ideal body weight. What are the reasons that you have the willingness to do what it takes to get to your ideal body weight? Why? Why do you want this? And as you think of all the reasons why, feel your motivation rising. Feel your commitment level rising. Because all of these reasons are enough to keep you going. Your time is now. Your why is important. This is the moment that your life changes. In order to have something you've never had, you need to do something you've never done. Resist temptation. You're stronger than your bad habits. You're stronger than the urge to emotionally eat. You're strong enough to make the right choice. You're beautiful inside and out, and it is time to own it. This is a new you. You're taking all the right steps. Today's another day to make strong choices. And even though it's hard in the moment, you can do it. Create the energy within. Imagine that you're running a marathon and you've been running and you're getting close to the end. And you notice on either side of you, it's a whole bunch of versions of you. And they're cheering you on. Go, you can do it. You got this. Keep going. You're almost there. These versions of you are cheering you on to keep going. Yes, feel that energy rising within. You can do it. Imagine you're a baseball player and you're up to bat and you hit the ball. You drop the bat and run. And in the stands, a whole bunch of versions of you cheering for you. Run hard, you can do it. Get around those bases. Go faster. As you hit first, you go to second. You're running fast, all these versions of you cheering for you. You're at third. Come on, you can do it, you're almost there. Before the other team gets the ball to the home plate, you make it to the home plate and you cheer along with all these other versions of yourself. Feel this momentum rising inside of you. You have the energy to make this happen. This surge of inspiration is everything you need right now to go out there and crush it. We create our own energy. It's all within us. And as you open your eyes and come back to the room, listen to this whenever you need a little pep talk and go out there and have the best day ever. You got this.